Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Swim 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First, let's press and hold the up button to open the menu. So press and hold it, and once the menu appears on the screen, you can release the button. Now, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu. Scroll through the menu, find the system option and select it, and then press the start button to enter. In the system menu, scroll down by pressing the down button, select the option called time, and then press the start button to enter. And here, scroll down by pressing the down button, select the option called set time, press the start button, and now we need to make sure that the set time option is set to manual. So scroll down to manual, select it, press start to confirm. And once you change the set time to manual, you will be able to scroll down, select the time option, and then press the start button. And here we can set the time. To do it, simply use the up and down buttons to scroll through or set the hours basically. Then press the start button, set the minutes, then press the start button to select this check mark, and then press start button again. Select the AM or PM and press the start button to confirm. As you can see, the time changed. When we go back to watch face, it should be also changed like this. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.